Yeah, these are the problems.
Backup tablets, 2 boxes.
Confirm 10 charges.
10 charges,
4 o'clock in the morning tomorrow, we will be dispatching all our gadgets to all the respective polling centers. Ours is to urge our voters and all the aspirants to mobilize people to come out and vote. We expect that we are going to have a very calm election. From the information we have is that our candidates have all prepared for this exercise, and our role as the National Election Board is to make sure that we ultimately deliver a free and fair election.
Now, I really want to assure the candidates, our candidates for UDA, that this election is going to be free and fair and viable, and we are there to overlook everything. And I also want to assure the voters that you cannot, there is no way you can come with somebody's ID and vote.
Na aria magoka after thaa 11 hwaini matikahota guikia kura tondu gadget itu ya sense ni gwakinya thaa 11 no kwirengekerenga na aria magakorwo maikitie kura nio tukahota guthoma tukendithiria aria othe mararugama na giturwa kia UDA tumere it will be free and fair tondu gutigakorwo na stuff in boxes ni gugakorwo tugitumira gadget tukama wish all the best inyuothe muthie ground mwire andu anyu moke mamoikirie kura.